6, error code 225, failed to load onlinefix64.dll. Fix. This error usually happens due to missing DLL files, corrupted game files, antivirus blocking, or broken installation. 1. Reinstall the game, most important fix. This error often appears when the game is incomplete or modified. Uninstall Forza Horizon 6 completely. Delete leftover folder. C HAP program files or game install directory. Reinstall fresh copy. Hopper 2. Restore deleted DLL from antivirus. Sometimes Windows Defender or antivirus deletes onlinefix64.dll. Open Windows Security, go to Protection History, find blocked deleted file, then add game folder to exclusions. #3. Run as administrator. Right-click Game EXE, Properties, Compatibility, Run as administrator. #4. Verify game files if Steam/Xbox version. Open Steam Xbox app. Go to Game Properties. Click Verify integrity of game files. 5. Install required runtimes. Install repair these: Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables 2015 to 2022, DirectX End User Runtime, .NET Framework latest. Restart PC after installing. 6. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus tools wrongly block DLL injection files. Turn off real-time protection temporarily. Launch game. If it works, add game folder to exclusions. 7. Fix missing DLL manually if needed. If onlinefix64.dll is missing, reinstall game, best option, or restore from antivirus quarantine. Avoid downloading random DLLs from websites, unsafe. 8. Move game to correct folder. Avoid protected folders like Program Files 86. Use C Games Forza Horizon 6 9. Update Windows, Settings, Windows Update, install all updates, restart PC. Quick fix summary. Most cases are solved by reinstalling game, restoring DLL from antivirus, installing Visual C++ DirectX, running as admin,